With that crazy light, XLite Crazylight by Pulsar. Woo! Hey, it's FragWatch here. So we're going to be unboxing the XLite Crazylight by Pulsar. Let me get it. Is this it? Yeah. I got the Zywu to unbox today too. Flip her over. Let's get my little Boy Scout knife out. Sorry, not Boy Scout. I'm an Eagle Scout. I planted 1,000 trees on a hillside in a burn scar to earn that. Yeah. I can still see those trees growing 20 years on. Pretty. All right. See the box, full box, yeah? Pretty standard stuff. Let's let this drop out. Hear that pop? Oh, yeah. Oh, I got like a blemish on it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Let me do it in this camera. There's a blemish on mine. Real bad. It looks like graphite's just like rubbed on there. What the fuck? That's a bummer. You got a ring skate. Okay, there's that. Does this come with the 8K dongle? We're going to find out. If I do this at that angle, I'm going to find out and you guys aren't. Oh, that's funny, FragWatch. Thanks, guys. All right. Does come with the 8K Pulsar dongle. If you're not familiar, this is what the 8K dongles look like. Some are black, some are clear, some are white. This one's clear. There we go. Okay. See what we got in the pouchy boy. Pouchy boy. Oh, come on. Probably their standard kit stuff. A very, man, that is a stiff cord. Not even going to take it out. I might open it up just so I can tell those angry meow Infinity Mouse people that think a C-to-C cord for a mouse is fucking cool. You have to use an adapter. They're dumb. They're dumb. My personal opinion is that's dumb. That's, you know, in 5 years maybe when we have more USB-C slots on all motherboards and laptops. Maybe then. Not now. Silly. I have like, yeah. Silly. Anyways, I digress. The Crazylight. Let's see how she feels in hand. Yeah. Yeah. I'm excited to review this one. This is one of my favorite shapes of mice. Like, for ergo, the king. King of shapes, at least. Let's see if it feels the same. Do I have... I don't have an XLite out here. Hold on. What on? I already packed them up. I had those PRF ones, or whatever, the team ones. All right, let's peel these off. Let's see if I can do this without scratching the skate. I'll tell you how she feels. I get a real life little example for you guys. I'm opening the Zywu directly after this. Do you guys think I should focus mainly on the size 1 or size 2 Zywu? So this is Crazylights are kind of, so I'm sure this is like a size, oh yeah, size 1. Oh man, I'm going to need, look at that slippy boy. Oh boy, I am slipping on this. This does not feel, this is the Crazylight. Actually, yeah, I guess it's the same coating. Feels good. All right. That's my unboxing of the Pulsar XLite Crazylight. Appreciate you guys. Take it easy. Oh, I got memberships up on the channel. A lot of members only videos and content. Special chat. I'm going to start pay gating, like very in-depth recommendations and advice giving. And also playing with me. I'll play any game with you for the membership. I have it on discount. You can buy the lower tiers, and I'll do those things. Check it out. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you.